Today is your first phonics class. We will study the beginning sound of A and B. A and B are the first two letters of the alphabet. Are you ready? Okay. First, let's study the letter A. This is the letter A. A makes the A sound. A. Can you say A? Good. Let's do it together. A, A, A. Very good. What word begins with the letter A? A sound. Let's see some pictures that begin with A.
What is it? It's an apple. Apple begins with A. A sound. A, apple. Now say it after me. A, apple. What color is the apple? This is an ant. Ant begins with A sound. A, ant. Now say it after me. A, ant. Very good. The next picture is an animal. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animals. Animal begins with A sound. A, animal. Now say it after me. A, animal. Very good. This is the last picture for the letter A sound. Axe. A, axe. Now repeat after me. A, axe. Good job.
How is it so far? Is it easy? Now we will write big A and small a.
First, big A. You go down, and down one more time, and then across. That's a big A. Now small a. You start here, go around and down, then across and down. That's a small a.
Good. Do you have paper? Can you write big A and small a? Now, let's learn the letter B. This is the letter B. It makes the B sound. B. Can you say B? Let's do it together. B, B, B. Very good. What word begins with the letter B sound? Let's see some pictures that begin with B, B sound.
What is this? It's a ball. B, B, ball. Now say it after me. B, B, ball. What kind of ball is it? This is a bed. Bed begins with the letter B, B sound. B, B, bed. Now repeat after me. B, B, bed. Great. What is on the bed? This is a book. Book begins with B, B sound. B, B, book. Now repeat after me. B, B, book. Very good. This is the last picture for B. Bus. B, B, bus. Now repeat after me. B, B, bus. Very good. What color is the bus?
Great work! You're doing so well. Now we'll write big B and small b.
First, big B. You go down, around, and around one more time. And that's a big B. Now small b. You go down, and then around. That's a small b.
Good. Can you write big B and small b? It's time for a little test. You listen to a word and then choose the beginning letter. You have to listen for the beginning sound A or B.
Listen for the beginning sound and choose the letter. A, apple. The answer is this. B, book.
How was the test? Was it easy? Was it difficult? Now you will have another test. Look at the picture first. Then choose big A or big B.
Look at the picture and choose big A or big B. Does ant begin with A or B? The answer is this. Does ball begin with A or B?
This time you will choose small a or small b.
Look at the picture and choose small a or small b. Does bus begin with a or b? The answer is this. Does book begin with a or b?
Now you will take a word test. Look at 2 pictures and listen to a word. Then you choose the right picture for the word. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Listen and choose the picture. Bus, bus. The answer is this. And.
It's story time. We studied a and b words. We have a story with those words in it. So, you will see some a and b words in the story. First, let's look at our key words with pictures. Apple, ant, ball, bed. Now, let's read the story. Are you ready?
It is an apple. An ant is on the apple. It is a ball. The ball is on the bed.
Now you will take a test. You can choose true or false. True means yes. False means no.
Choose true or false. An ant is on the apple. Is it true or false? It is true.
That's the end of lesson 1.